A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away.
Not this one. Maybe you can start from the beginning. No. Okay. I got you. Let's start from the very beginning. Oh, come on. Let's speed it up. Oh yeah. This is our stop. Okay, continue.
From the very beginning of mankind, man wanted to leave a mark in history. He explored the world, and he created legends. He believed that these legends and myths are able to preserve the truth for posterity. So he began to create. He began painting on the walls of the caves, and other people began to look at these images. And the more people looked at these images, the stronger the legends became. The ancient sages said that if you say aloud the exact number of people who looked at these drawings, they will gain life. And then, one day legends came to life. Stories became alive. Over time, more and more drawings began to come to life. But then, this magic was lost in time. This has continued up to this point until the Chosen One was born. The ancient secret community kept the secret of this legend until today, because you are the Chosen One who will be able to revive the pictures again, and my apprentice will help you gain great power over our views. Views anew too.
So, one day I was spending my one and only precious life watching serious tech YouTube videos, as I usually do. And suddenly I saw this video. And then this one, and this one, and others. I got curious, how do they do it? And after a little investigation of how this can be done, I found the easiest way to do it without coding. Google Scripts. So you may ask, and apparently Google is a good guy. Google allows you to automate many tasks using the Google Scripts service, such as working with Google Docs, publishing web apps, and others. But we are only interested in updating the video title and getting the number of views. So, using my special techniques, I found this article. Link in the description. Many thanks to this author. He's a really Google expert. First of all, we need a video which title we want to update. I'll take this video from a future project which you probably will never see. We need to find the ID of the video. Let's save it. We'll need it.
Okay, let's go.
First, you have to go to the Google Scripts website. Create a new project. And don't forget to add a special service YouTube API v3. This will allow your code to interact with YouTube. Go to a special GitHub project, link in the description, copy code from this file, insert this code in our project, replace this string with your YouTube video ID, save it, and smash the run button to test your code. Now, come back to your video and see the magic. But I want it to work automatically. Thanks Google, it has a special timer button where you can create your recurrent task to run it, for example, every 10 minutes. Now the title of your video will be updated every 10 minutes automatically. However, what if you want to build your own app which can change YouTube titles or descriptions not only for your own video? So I think it's the right time to write some code. Okay, first of all we need a permission from Google to change YouTube video titles outside of YouTube. That's why we need to visit Google Cloud Console. And so, what are we looking for? We have to register and create our first project. Click Enable API and Services. Search for YouTube Data API v3. Before we continue, you may ask, what functionality is available through YouTube API? The API provides the ability to retrieve feeds related to videos, users, and playlists. It also provides the ability to manipulate these feeds, such as creating new playlists, adding videos as favorites, and sending messages. The API is also able to upload videos. I think that's enough. Let's back to Google Cloud Console. Go to Credentials, you need API keys and OAuth 2.0 client IDs. Click Create Credentials. OK, it's time to create our API key. And also we need to create OAuth 2.0 client IDs. OK, that's done. Don't forget to download the client secret JSON file. Now we have everything we need, API key and client secret JSON file. And finally, we can write some code. What do you think about Python? I've prepared a simple Python script which allows you to update title, description, text and category of the video. Just go to special GitHub project, you need to copy-paste this code, install requirements for this project, and do you remember how we have created client secret JSON file in Google Cloud? It's time to use it. You need to place this file in the root directory of your project. Also, we need to use API key to interact with Google. As you remember, we have it. Copy it from Google Cloud, paste it here. And the last thing, we should insert YouTube video ID, which we copied earlier in this video. So, as you can see, there are many lines of code which I found here. But to understand the core of the script, we need to take a look here, at this block of code. It's simple to understand. First step, we create Google API client. Second, invoke update method from YouTube API. And to be honest, the real challenge here was to get view counter from YouTube. For that purpose, I've written this method. This function allows to fetch data from YouTube API. We can pass and extract view counter for the particular video from this response. So I think it's time to run our code and pray. And so, as you can see, title and description changed. That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So, we won't rely solely on Python. Let's add variety to our implementation. So, why don't we write a script in C#? And so again, we need a client secret JSON file and video ID. Let's switch to code editor. And don't forget, you can find this code on GitHub. First of all, you need to insert your video ID here. Then we need to create a function which helps us to get views counter from YouTube. It's simple. We create a request to YouTube, extract view counter and return it from the function. Okay, it's time to write our run method. First, we connect our client secret JSON file. Second, authorize to YouTube API. Third, create YouTube service. Fourth, get view counter. Fifth, create video data we want to update. Sixth, execute update method. So I think it's time to run our code and pray. Looks like it worked. Let's check our video. Yep, as you can see, title and description changed. That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So we won't rely solely on Python and C#. Let's add variety to our implementation. I think it's time to go deeper. And so again, we need a client secret JSON file and video ID. We only need to write a code. It's simple to use. That's why I placed README file in GitHub project. So I think it's time to run our code and pray. Let's check our video. Yep, as you can see, title and description changed. That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So we won't rely solely on Python, C# and Go. Let's add variety to our implementation. At this point, I bet you Node. We've forgotten about Node. And again, we write in the code. So I think it's time to run our code and pray. Looks like it worked. Let's check our video. Yep, as you can see, title and description changed. That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So we won't rely solely on Python, C#, Go and Node.js. Let's add variety to our implementation. At this point I thought, why don't we create a simple and sweet web app for our mission? First of all, we need to create API, which is simple, everyone can do it, obviously. Let's add database, time scheduler and entry points. When it's done, we should create an ugly backend programmer style UI with the help of React. Something like this. So, in the end, we have a simple management dashboard where you can change YouTube video titles, description, etc. Also, we've not forgotten about adding scheduler, so you can create recurrent tasks to change video data from time to time. Let's take a look at what we've got. We need to run our API and run our UI. And again, this video will try to change its title. With our app, open our React app. Now we can create a task which will change the video's title and description. For that you need to authorize with your YouTube account. So, as you can see, we logged in. Now we can create our first task. Here we need to use video ID. You can take it from the video page. Now you can write a title with a template phrase which will be replaced. You can also change the description, change videos category and set how often you want the task to repeat. It's better to set more than 10 minutes, not one like this. Save it. Now, in a minute, the video title and description should change according to our task. Let's refresh our page. Yep, as you can see, title and description changed. That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So we won't rely solely on Python, C#, Golang, Node.js and ugly web app. I think we need to be sure that our program works and will work. So what do you think to add a bit of assembler? That's it. Hope you leave a comment and smash a like button. But your mission is too critical to bring the drawings to life. So we won't rely solely on Python, C#, Golang, Node.js, ugly web app and assembler.
Stop. I think you reached the end. It's dangerous to go further.
But I have to show them all. Okay, I think I taught you everything I knew, and I'm sure that you will manage and fulfill the prophecy. And don't forget that all programming languages are just tools to achieve your goals. Do not give up and you will succeed. But